Well, I almost hate to do it, but I'm going to do a loud sudden noise stress test on the puppies. They're relaxed or sleeping, as you can see. And I'm going to come out with some loud noises all of a sudden and be very abrupt and see how they internalize that stress. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ba 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 ba. Woo 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 woo. I got Adie fired up. Woo 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 woo. Hi Adie. Are you fired up? Did I fire you up? Are you guarding your puppies? Yeah, I'm acting strange, but it's a stress test. It's a stress test to see how they do. And they just gotta internalize it, observe it. And let's go back to sleep. Good job, puppies.